Hi, I'm Ollie Graham, and today we're talking about investing in multifamily homes. If you're looking to scale your portfolio and boost your cash flow, multifamily properties are a smart choice. Managing multifamily properties means dealing with more tenants, but if done right, it brings consistent cash flow. The key is maximizing capacity, keep your units full, and you'll see steady income. Regular maintenance is critical. A well-kept property attracts quality tenants and keeps them happy. Simple things like fixing issues promptly and maintaining common areas go a long way. Now let's talk locations. The best areas for multifamily investments have strong demand, population growth, and thriving job markets. Cities like Austin, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, and Raleigh, North Carolina are seeing booms and are ideal for real estate investors. These cities are growing fast, and with that comes higher rental demand and lower vacancies, key factors for profitability. Good management and keeping your property in excellent shape are crucial for keeping tenants satisfied and your income steady. So, if you're ready to scale with multifamily homes, remember, maximize your capacity, stay on top of maintenance, and choose locations with strong demand. That's how you unlock real profitability. Let's grow your real estate portfolio with multifamily investments.